Hi, I'm Divanshu from Team CaptureKit, and in this tutorial, we'll be connecting Google Sheets with CaptureKit's API using Make.com. So Make.com is a no-code application builder. You can test this platform for 1,000 free credits, and CaptureKit offers you 100 free credits, so you can test the whole system for free. So you'll be needing access to Google Sheets, which will be free, but you have to sign up for Screenshot API, and you can access make.com and CaptureKit API using the access key of CaptureKit. So what we have done is in our make.com automation, the first module we are using is watch new rows. We are mapping our module to our sheet, which is over here, URL screenshot, then mapping the name. So I have one sheet only. So it is sheet one. Limit I have kept to 1 because I was testing the system and I wanted to keep minimum credits to be get lost from the make.com account. So I've kept it to 1. When you build this whole system, you can have this on your own specification. Like if you have 20 screenshots you want to take, you can keep the limit to 20. Okay. So the next module we are using is HTTP, the GET request for the, over here is the CaptureKit endpoint to take screenshot. Then in the query strings, we are using these parameters, URL, which is a necessary parameter. You need to give this to API. So URLs, I'm mapping it to the URLs over here, as you can see. The access key is what you get from the CaptureKit's account. You will get your access key over here in the dashboard. And then some other formats that I have used is format. I have kept uh, the default format to PNG. Full page, yes, I want the whole page, the screenshot of the whole page. And then I have kept check on yes for the past response. So this module gives me data of the URL which I will be taking in my next module, which is Google Sheets. So I'll updating this sheet again. I'll be saving all the URLs over here. For this, I am updating the row, and I am updating the same row as was run in this first particular module. So I'll map it from here. For the URLs of the screenshot, I am taking them over here, and then we'll save this. So let's test this automation, and let's run this from the very first data. Yeah, we have got the first screenshot. We can check it. Yeah. So getting the screenshots, I have kept the limit to 1. We can run this automation again. I've got a second screenshot. We can check it again. Yeah. So this way, using Make.com and CaptureKit's API, you can automate your whole screenshot process. You can use Screenshot API for compliance archiving, automated bug reporting, marketing previews, A/B test validation, price tracking, and live documentation and tutorials. So if you are someone who are looking for, has to scale, you have to scale the image generation, you can reach out to us or on the chat. We'll be responding you as soon as we are available. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I will link to the blueprint of this documentation in my description. If you're watching this video on blog, I would mention somewhere on the blog that I have the blueprint over here, so you can download it and automate your screenshot generation process. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.